Hello guys, I'm back with another video and this time I'll be reviewing the Mi Band 6, the new Mi Band 6. So here we go, we have the box, pretty straightforward, the same one as the last year. So the specs are 30 workout modes, water resistant up to 50 meters, and sleep tracking, reliable sleep tracking, magnetic charging, 1.56-inch AMOLED display, blood oxygen saturation sensor, stress monitoring, and female health tracking system that is built into the this smart band. So unboxing the box, well, we get the band wrapped in a wrapper. Then we have this booklet, a huge booklet which has all the information. Then we have the magnetic charging cable with 2 pins. So unwrapping the wrap, we get the Mi Band 6, and the band looks amazing. Such a refreshing design. It looks really awesome. Such a beautiful display. There's improvement in screen size. So at the back there are two sensors. One is aux plus oxygen sensor, another is PPG heart rate sensor. So the band comes in many colors, and of course you can choose from all of the colors that are available. Well, coming onto the screen of the band, it is AMOLED 1.56 inch, and it is very sharp and 40% larger than the previous editions. As you can see, the Mi Band 6 is much larger than Mi Band 5 in screen size, and the screen is much more brighter and sharper. So as you can see, and it feels great even in the sunshine, and of course there is SpO2 sensor, 30 workout modes. You can select any mode, and there is mode like Zumba, which works great. So you have a lot of workout modes to select from. It has each and every type of it. Moving on, you have the 24/7 heart rate monitor to test your calories. Of course there is PAI, and coming on to the settings, you can actually change the display of the watch face. These are few of them. This one looks best. So that's it guys, I'll be back with another video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video.